Hey guys, right now we are in the middle of kind of campaign season. We just finished up a big round of campaigns and elections for the legislators here in Indonesia, and coming up here pretty soon we're going to be looking at the campaigns for the presidency of Indonesia. And the campaigns here are a little bit different than they might be. Yeah, no, not than they might be. I mean, they are. They are different than what you're used to back home. And so in this video today, I want to show you the first time you have ever seen, guaranteed, ever seen the motorcycle marching band. Now, I'm not talking about people riding motorcycles playing instruments. No, the motorcycles are the instruments. All right? So if you're wearing headphones, you might just want to unplug the headphones or turn the volume down before I show you this clip, right? Because it is insanely loud. All right, so here we go. The first time ever broadcast on Riding Java, the Indonesian National Motorcycle Marching Band.